Hello, what's up everyone? Lenny back with another video. So today I will be showing you a new POI, or well, not really, it's just like a fun little Easter egg. It's about Ant-Man. It's like this little house that shows Ant-Man, and yeah, so maybe Ant-Man's coming to the game soon, I don't know. It might just be a little Easter egg, I don't know, it's pretty cool. You might not get it if you haven't watched the Marvel movies about him, but yeah, I'll just show you. It's right here. See, if you haven't played in a while, it would be gray, but it's right there. Right there. Do you see it has a little red house there? That's what it is. See? So, it's pretty cool. It's like where you're really small, and yeah, everything's super large there. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Let me just drop there and I'll show you. It's near that it's near that Thor's crater. So, yeah. So it's over here. A lot of people drop here since it's new and a lot of people haven't seen it before. So some people might be here. See, it's this right here. It has an anthill and a house. See? Look how tiny I am compared to this. It's pretty big. Everything here is like supersized. And you could go underground, see. It's a whole bunch. There are only like 3 chests here. So why are there so many bursts? I don't know. So like this place has 3 chests. One down here, one or no, 4 chests. So you saw me get 2 of them. And there's one up there somewhere. I'm gonna get out here. Oh yeah, there's some rift spawns here. So that's a way you can get out. There is one chest up here. I'm gonna go get that. So yeah, see, so 4 chest spawns and lots of ground loot. It's an okay place to drop, I guess. Like here, Anton, that's one of his pet ants, giant ants. And yeah, it was in the film. There's a dog bone, sugar cubes, which ants like. And yeah, this whole place. Here's some PIM particles, these things. And look, PIM technologies right here. See? Yeah, pretty cool. And yeah, I told you about those rift spawns over here. You could jump into that. There aren't many rifts in the game. In fact, there are 0 rifts in the game except these. And I think some over there. There's another, like this thing, it's like a slice. I think fell out of the sky from the looks of it. See, like, it's all glowy and red, this stuff. It's all glowy and red. It's kind of weird. Strange thing. There's another one, I remember. Somewhere around here, there was another one. Right where that guy's at, there was one. It's exactly like this, except it's like a transport truck. And yeah, pretty cool. Yeah. So, if you want to look for this place, it's a red house. And yeah, it's really cool. Anyways, that's the end of the video. Bye. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to tell you that this place, it's near Holly Hedges. It's near Holly Hedges, in between Holly Hedges and Salty Springs. So if you want to come here, that's the place to go. Anyways, that's it. That's the end of the video. Bye.